Oh no!
What's up, mananap? Akong ilok. What's up? Di man siya itom, no? Char. Ano sa ba? Uy. FYI to everyone, I'm not like naked. Char. Naked. Major. I have this. Sinobash ta. Inon pa lang na bubo na wala pa kita. Char. Oh my god, chismis. So I have this. I call this, side sando. Well, anyways, that's not my point. Well, anyways, guys, I just want to really know what is happening on social media nowadays. There is this trending series on Facebook and everywhere else, maybe in Twitter, whatever. Like they are like uploading their reactions about regarding this series on Netflix. It is titled Sex/Life, and it has season 1 already. And they said that I should watch directly the episode 3 and fast forward it to 19 minutes and 50 seconds. And boom! You're gonna see there the big love. Big love. Why am I English? I'm actually excited because, I wanted to see my reaction upon seeing the guy who is in the shower. They said that was really naked. Like, you can really see that he's nothing. So, if you haven't seen it yet, you better record yourself as well, like me, which I am now going to record myself. And in the meantime, my laptop is already ready to go. Why I am having because I'm just having. I am already. My God, why am I having again? I'm already. Change voice. I'm already in 19 minutes and 40 seconds. 10 more seconds to go. I'll be seeing that thing in the shower. Oh, are you ready now? Am I ready? I'm born to be ready.
Are you serious?
Let's get that. Play the thing, baby. Oh my god, this is it. Ang anak ni Janice. Okay, the guy is like in the gym. Oh, going to, oh my god, bathroom. Kinchan na. Oh. Oh, my phone is blocking the screen, Oh my god. Oh, shit. Whoever. Oh, you're the best. That is the best.
Are you serious?
Pig thing that I've seen in my entire life. Shut memeng. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Christmas. Basta tanawan ninyo, okay? I'm gonna watch it again. Charlotte.
Hey.